In this video, we are going to learn what is ideal gas and real gas and what are the differences between these two types of gases. So to understand an ideal gas, let us consider a container of an ideal gas. In ideal gases, all the collision between gas molecules are perfectly elastic and gas molecules are far apart from each other. Therefore, at high temperature and low pressure, there is no attractive or repulsive forces between the gas molecules, and the actual volume of gas molecules is negligible as compared to total volume of a gas container. Actually, ideal gases can't exist in nature. These gases can obey these two assumptions at high temperature and low pressure, because the average kinetic energy of gas molecules increases only at high temperature and low pressure. So when we increase the temperature, the kinetic energy of gas molecules also increases. So the gas molecules move faster, and as a result, the gas molecules move far apart from each other and create a large empty space between them. And as we know, for ideal gases, the size of gas molecules are very small with large empty space between them. Therefore, there is no attractive forces present between these gas molecules at high temperature and low pressure. According to kinetic molecular theory of gases, the actual volume of gas molecules is negligible as compared to total volume of gas container. And as we know, the gas molecules of ideal gases are very small with large size of container. Therefore, we neglect volume of gas molecules at high temperature and low pressure. Real gases or non-ideal gases do not obey the ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to nRT. These gases deviate from ideal behavior at low temperature and high pressure, because the kinetic energy of gas molecules is low at low temperature and high pressure. The empty space between the gas molecules are very small, and gas molecules can come close to each other. Gas molecules do forces a weak attractive force, and these molecules have volume as compared to total volume of a gas container.